Media organizations in fast-paced production markets like news, sports, and reality TV often have extensive field production needs. They want to break news faster and produce better content with remote teams while keeping costs under control. But for field journalists and video editors to create engaging content quickly, they need seamless access to the content and the main facility, as well as full collaboration with their colleagues. Until today, connecting remote users and bureaus to the main facility was plagued with high latency, slow data transfer, and security issues. To overcome these challenges, Dalit introduces Dalit Remote Editing in order to provide a high-quality multimedia editing experience everywhere and give unmitigated access for remote users to content located at a central hub. Leveraging cloud infrastructure, accelerated media exchange, and Dalit's smart caching technology, remote bureaus, field reporters, and even freelancers now benefit from the same editing environment and capabilities as their colleagues at the central facility. Dalit Remote Editing optimizes content sharing across multiple locations without requiring the deployment of a separate MAM or PAM. Let's take a look at a standard news workflow. From the initial planning of a news event, all content related to stories are collected in shared media bins, which makes it easy for remote editors to access the related content no matter where they are. Any update of the planning event and the related story automatically notifies users on their phones or tablets with Dalit on the go. Using the remote editing framework and working with Dalit's multimedia editor, Dalit OneCut, remote journalists and editors have secure access to all content available on the main site based on user rights. In addition, field reporters can easily plug in cameras or camera cards to their laptop, select which clips they want to use, and combine local footage with content from the main site directly on the Dalit OneCut timeline. Even with a bad internet connection or when offline, remote users can still edit, as the selected content from the main site caches locally. With multi-track video editing, editors can utilize the multi-layered effects of Dalit OneCut, such as picture-in-picture, blurring of faces, and a variety of transitions. They can record voiceovers, which includes an automatic ducking feature. Once packages are completed, users can either render them as new assets on the central site, or for breaking news situations, render over placeholders already in the Dalit on-air rundown, so that while the video is still rendering, it can already be played out at the main facility. In case updates are required, the EDL made by the remote editor can be reopened for review by the central site producer. If advanced editing is needed, the same EDL can be opened using Dalit Extend on a craft editing application such as Adobe Premiere, Avid, or Final Cut Pro. What makes this process so special is that the rendering of the video can happen on the main site rather than locally. In the Dalit OneCut remote browser, users can change title statuses, which can trigger approval and distribution workflows, but also trigger migration policies directly from the field in order to deliver content to a CMS, to OVPs such as YouTube, or for watermarking. To create inspiring content, collaboration is key, and with Dalit Remote Editing, field journalists and remote editors are not only connected to the main site, they become an integral part of the fast-paced news workflow, totally in sync with everyone in the newsroom. While reporting on the field, working from home, traveling, connected in the middle of nowhere, Dalit Remote Editing will help you ingest, produce, and share content easily with the central newsroom, helping unite remote bureaus and field reporters to break news faster than ever.
Els petits detalls podcast. Capturem històries, moments i experiències.
Benvinguts a la plataforma i productora de podcast Els Petits Detalls Podcast. D'una banda, treballem per crear una comunitat que sigui més feliç escoltant els nostres podcasts i de l'altra, t'ajudem a que tu puguis produir el teu. Si en vols saber més, mira el següent vídeo. Som-hi!
Sí que dicen que la vida va muy rápido, pero en verdad las cosas tardan, digamos, a ponerse en su sitio.
Totalmente. Hay que tener paciencia, es fundamental. Las cosas no salen de un día para otro. Eso le pasa a uno de cada 1.000.000.
Els Petits Detalls Podcast. Capturem històries, moments i experiències. Tots som part d'una gran història. Tots en formem part.
En veu alta som una empresa dedicada a l'enregistrament de textos literaris.
Volem fer arribar la literatura a col·lectius tan diversos com ara persones amb discapacitat visual, amb dificultats d'aprenentatge, persones vingudes d'arreu que estudien la nostra llengua, també al públic en general com a diversió, entreteniment i font cultural.
També oferim els nostres serveis a empreses de publicitat, productores, editorials, biblioteques.
Actualment ens podeu sentir cada mes als contes del Tatano, la revista del cavall fort adreçada als més petits de la casa.
Entreu a www.enveualta.cat on podreu trobar una petita mostra de tot allò que us podem oferir. On deuen ser els nens i les nenes que van fer aquest mural? Qui sap? No queda ni un pupitre, ni un llibre. L'escola va ser dels primers llocs que van atacar.
La seva existència havia estat determinada per una violència i una bogeria absolutes, encara que després en relativitzessin els termes.
11. Llançats 2 testos ben grossos plens de geranis des del balcó d'un 6è pis, ubicació Rambla de Catalunya. Guaita, en Ferran!
Va dir la fornera.
Quina gorra tan espaterrant!
Zarrushka, Greta, Tietka, Gorraf!
Aquell capvespre vaig sortir amb el cistell, acompanyada de les meves 2 gates, l'Obscura i la Tèrbola.
Ja se dormia que se sentiren les campanes de la catedral.
Toquen per la Maria.
Plena de nit, la ciutat de Barcelona també dormia.